Good morning, via DePaz, Arizona, on the west side of Phoenix. It is 5:35 in the morning, about 59 degrees, and it is kind of raining on my driveway. Isn't that neat? Wish it was a little heavier, but that's life. At least we're getting something. I didn't get anything out of the storm yesterday. This is the back of a cold front, and places up in Prescott are getting snow. Let's look at the street's got some water in it. It's all nice and glistening. The sky is all gray. There's nothing but gray sky. There's no sun, no inkling of stars or dawn. So it is really chilly out here. Can't tell you. But it's nice to finally see this rain and the cooler temperatures, which are not going to last. We're going to get up to like 95 to 97 degrees in the next few days. But the good news is by Halloween, we should be back in the mid 80s. So Halloween is not for naught. We just gotta ride out this next ridge of warm weather. Oh, my neighbors are awake for a Saturday, October 19th. And that will do for this weather report. Have a great weekend.